Weather update is powered by Alliance Maintenance.
Good morning, good morning. It's still morning, yes. Going to go over long range. We're going over the models during this segment. All right, let's switch over to clarity here. We'll get the National Weather Service or the NOAA stuff out of the way here. So, next 24-hour rain amounts, nothing going on locally. Out west, yes. Or out east, yes. We go to 7 day. And now we start seeing some rain totals across the area, mainly southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri, and those amounts are on the low side. We're well under a half inch. The blue is where we get into a quarter of an inch. So we're still well below any sizable amount of precip. I did want to point this out. The next 7 day snow totals. Look at that. Start sneaking in across some of the area. So we're not over. Let's see what ice shows. Nothing. Good. All right, let's go over to Synoptic. Let's look at the long range stuff. All right, we're going to start out with the NAM for this week. We've got some rain chances. Let me switch. There we go. All right, mainly Monday, Tuesday this week. So Sunday, we've got the cold front that's moving through. Nothing big. Tuesday, so this is Tuesday at 1 a.m., 4 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m., and 1 p.m. So we'll have it looks like a clipper system that's going to work its way through. I don't anticipate much with it. We're looking light rain, if that. We're still dry outside, so it's going to take a little bit to get the precip to fall to the ground. So just a note, Monday night, Tuesday morning through Tuesday early afternoon, we could see some rain. And that's really it going through Wednesday. All right, switching to long range here, GFS. So we've got some systems that's down the chute, and we'll just play these through here. So this is Monday this week, Tuesday this week. Not worried about that. I really want to get later in here. So Thursday, there's that snow that the NOAA was thinking about. So we'll have to see how that evolves. That is overnight Thursday morning into Friday. We have another wave that's moving through. I think it's going to be liquid on our side completely, and if we can get enough moisture in the area to get this on the ground. High pressure in charge, which means temps are going to moderate. Saturday, Sunday, Monday the 30th, Tuesday. There we go. This is what I've been watching. We've been 31st and the 1st. I think we're going to see a weather system work through the area. Looking at this looks like it could be severe. We have winds blowing to the front. Here's your front. So we've got storms going to fire off of it, and it's going to work its way southeast. So 4 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m. Oh, it kind of just hangs out there. So we got a couple day severe weather event. It's not just going to wave through. Here's the first, another wave. Wow. And then it gets absorbed and it moves out east. And then we should have another one coming out. There we go. April 3rd. That looks like a much more intense event, and it's going to wave through pretty quickly. And then the 4th, another setup. And the 5th, boy, April is going to be very, very active, especially the first part of April. So we're on the 22nd today, so we got a little bit. So we'll see a lot more modeling and data come out as we get closer to it. But definitely all hands on deck, probably starting the 30th of March, and we'll probably go through probably the 12th or 13th through that active period. So that's about a 2.5 week, which is about on par for the systems currently. All right, that is it for now. I figured since I have some time, I'll go over the models with everybody, and we'll just go from there. All right, have a good Sunday, everybody. I'll talk to you later tonight.